Hello. Overnight brings a change of season. The 1st of September, meteorologically, means for us it's the start of autumn. But fear not. If you like a bit of warm sunshine, there'll still be some of that around this weekend. More on that in just a moment. First of all, let's get through the night because it's turning a little bit chilly in places. Not as cold as the previous night, certainly not in the west, where there's a bit more cloud spilling in. There'll be a few fog patches forming as well. The longer nights now, there's more chance for the mist and fog to form. Nothing too extensive, but a few patches here and there. We won't see much of that in the west because here just cloud starts to spill in, a little bit of drizzly rain, particularly in parts of western Scotland. But if we just put the temperatures on, you can see the impact of that cloud. It makes for a milder night across the west, whereas further east we'll see temperatures in towns and cities probably staying in double digits, but some rural areas across eastern England will be well down into single figures. So a chilly start here to Saturday, but not as cold in the west because of that cloud. It's making for quite a grey start to Saturday for Northern Ireland, a good part of western Scotland, some drizzly rain here. The rain was a little bit heavier for a time over the Northern Isles. Some drizzle over the hills of Wales and around the coast here too, parts of northwest England. But for a good part of England, most of East Wales, it should be a dry, bright, fine Saturday with some sunshine. Skies brightening in Northern Ireland too, and parts of eastern Scotland will see some hazy sunshine at times. And there's still a bit of power in the sun, so where we see some sunshine, temperatures will be climbing well above average, getting up into the low 20s in quite a few places, 24, 25, maybe even a little bit higher in one or two spots. So quite a warm feeling day for many on Saturday. Through the course of Saturday evening, still some drizzly rain over southern Scotland, northern England, but even that will tend to fizzle out. So most places having a dry night. Again, a bit of mist and fog is possible. And again, where skies are clear across the east, it'll be a little bit chilly. But again, on Sunday, eastern areas will be favoured for some sunshine. Again, elsewhere further west, some cloud milling around, but most places will be dry. Probably a brighter day in West Wales, parts of southwest England. Some thickening cloud threatening a bit of rain in the far northwest, but generally it's dry, it's fine. And if anything, Sunday a little bit warmer with temperatures more widely up over 20 degrees and some spots across maybe the East Midlands towards the southeast, 25, 26, maybe even a touch higher in one or two places. So some warmth around this weekend. A cold front complicates things through into Monday, but the main theme for next week, this big area of high pressure lolloping in across the UK, bringing plenty of fine and dry weather for much of next week. Some chillier nights and the potential for a bit more in the way of mist and fog. For more details on that, visit the Met Office website.